Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a promo code on Uber. If you want to add a promo code on Uber, then first of all, make sure your Uber application is launched open and it is updated to the latest version. After you're signed into your Uber account, tap on the account button at the bottom right corner and click on the wallet button from the top. Inside wallet, scroll down and look for Add Promo Code button and tap on it. Enter the promo code in the text box exactly as you received it. I'm just going to type some random words over here. And finally, after you have typed it in, click on Add Offer at the bottom of the screen. If successful, you'll receive a confirmation message showing the discount added to your account. Then you can get back to your wallet to see the applied promo code. After you apply your promo code, when you request your new ride, the discount will be applied automatically. So if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.